Understanding moisture intrusion in EIFS stucco from gutter systems. Introduction. Exterior insulation and finish system EIFS, commonly known as synthetic stucco, is a popular choice for exterior cladding due to its energy efficiency and versatility. However, like any building material, it's not without its potential issues. One such problem is moisture intrusion, particularly when a gutter system is installed directly onto the EIFS stucco. This article delves into the specifics of this issue, demonstrating how a gutter system, when attached directly to an EIFS stucco application, can lead to moisture intrusion over time. The problem? The primary issue arises when a gutter system is installed directly onto the EIFS stucco. This setup can create a pathway for water to seep into the stucco system, leading to moisture intrusion. The problem is often exacerbated by the lack of a proper moisture barrier or improper sealing around the gutter system. Over time, this moisture can accumulate within the EIFS, leading to a host of problems. The consequences. Moisture intrusion in EIFS stucco can lead to a variety of issues, ranging from aesthetic to structural. On the surface level, moisture intrusion can cause discoloration, peeling, or cracking of the stucco surface. These signs are often the first indication of a problem and should not be ignored. On a deeper level, prolonged moisture intrusion can lead to more serious issues. Moisture within the EIFS can degrade the insulation properties of the system, leading to increased energy costs. In severe cases, it can even lead to structural damage as the moisture affects the underlying materials. This can result in costly repairs and significant downtime for any businesses operating within the building. The solution. The good news is that moisture intrusion from directly attached gutter systems can be prevented with proper installation and regular maintenance. When installing a gutter system on a building with EIFS stucco, it's crucial to ensure that the system is not attached directly to the stucco. Instead, it should be attached to the structural elements of the building, with a proper moisture barrier in place to prevent any water from reaching the synthetic stucco. Regular maintenance is also key to preventing moisture intrusion. This includes regular inspections of the exterior insulation and finish system, stucco, and gutter system, particularly after severe weather events. Any signs of damage or potential water pathways should be addressed immediately to prevent moisture from entering the system. In the event that moisture intrusion does occur, it's important to address the issue as soon as possible. This often involves removing the affected EIFS, repairing any underlying damage, and reinstalling the system with a proper moisture barrier. It's recommended to work with a professional specializing in synthetic stucco repairs to ensure the job is done correctly. In conclusion, understanding the potential pitfalls of EIFS stucco application is key to maintaining the integrity and longevity of your building. By being aware of the risks associated with directly attaching gutter systems to exterior insulation and finish system, you can prevent moisture intrusion and ensure the durability of your structure. Regular inspections and maintenance, along with proper installation, can go a long way in keeping your stucco looking great and performing well for years to come. More synthetic stucco information. For more insights into EIFS stucco repair and maintenance, watch our informative video on our Google Business site. Don't forget to follow us on Facebook for more updates and tips on synthetic stucco repair. Thanks for watching until the end of this video. Please take a second to like the video and consider subscribing to our channel. We produce content like this every week.